So you can direct create your Google form into this Google Drive, which is your folder. So choose New, More, Google Form, and you can choose from a template. Create and share. With this function, you can directly share your form with ASG already, so you no need to do the share setting again. And this is the template provided by Google. For our sessions, mostly we will choose registrations, event registrations. So this. So let us start edit it from top until bottom. And if you want to change the banner, you can press this button. And you can change the color. If you want to upload your image, you may just choose the upload image and choose the image provided by Google, or you can upload your own photo from this button as well. Right, so I will make a choice. This, okay. For your information, the background will be changed color according to your banner, so you can't do anything for the background. I think maybe you can just choose from here. Yeah, okay, you can just do this setting. Alright, next is your event title. So for your event title, you can copy from a poster if you do your poster already. So I will press copy, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And the details, you just copy paste from your event informations. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, it will be copy paste right here. So for the next one, we want to add an image, my poster. So you can choose from here. This menu, first one is for you to add questions, the questions you want your audience to fill up. Next is just a title and a descriptions. And the third one is add image. Number 4 is video, and number 5 is section. Section is allow you to create page number 2, page number 3. It depends how many page you want. So I want to add an image. Click image. So you can upload your image right here. For my site, actually I will create my form right here. So by the way, my registration link is not the right one. You need to get your link first. So how to get your link is press this button, send. Choose this button, and this is your link. So please tick shorten URL, and you will get a shortened website link for you to copy paste into your registration link. So Ctrl V, it will be paste right here. Adjust it a bit. Okay, I think I want to make it smaller. Just make a little bit, move it. Alright, very good. So this is the link, and with this link you can create your QR code. So go to the QR code link that shared by our. This is the website for you to generate your QR code. So you copy your form, the links of your form, copy, and in this website you choose URL and you paste it right here, and this is your form. Okay, this is your QR code for your registration form. So you may just right click, save into your desktop. So open your PowerPoint if you're using PowerPoint to edit it. Okay, insert your QR code into the slide. So this is my QR code. Okay, very good. So I introduce you a tool in your computer. It's called Snipping Tool. Snipping Tool is allow you to direct snapshot your screen, any object, any size. So you can find from your program search engine with your Windows search engine. You just key in Snipping Tool. Every Windows will have this tool. So when you open the tool, you can choose New Snip, and you can direct cut this part and save it as an image. Save it in your desktop and it will become an image already. So right now I'm going to upload it into my Google Form. So just now I did add an image right here. Oh, choose an image to upload. Choose desktop, and this is my image. Yeah, so this is my Google Form with my image. You can edit a title right here. Since I have the title in my image already, so I maybe will remove part of it. Registration link, I can remove it as well. And you can change the description if you want to change. So I will require them to fill in their name, their email, their organizations, and this one if you is extra, so I want to remove it. So you just press the dustbin to delete it. And I want to remove this as well, and I want to delete this as well. So I want to add one more questions with their phone number. So telephone number, you can change it to short answer. For every questions you have to set a type of answer, so you can choose the answer you want. There will be short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload, and other type of information that you want to choose. So if you want to change the sequence, choose the questions and press this area and drag your questions. It can move according to your mouse. So I move it right here. If you want the participant or the registrations is required some information, you can tick this one is required. So the audience or the participant, they have to fill up the informations, name, telephone number, and email, and the organizations. Then they only allowed to submit the form. And for this one, we can change to other type of answer. You may choose, maybe let us choose drop down. Yeah, so you can key in the name that you want. For example, this is Alo Star, ACI Bayan, right? So the rest you just continue it. One more thing before you save your form, so choose the response and remember create a spreadsheet. This is an Excel file with an Excel format document from Google, and you can rename it. It will be easier for ASG to do the checking. Create. So after you create it, it will be an Excel file like this, but normally we are calling it a Google Sheet. Okay, it's Google Sheet. So after people register in your form, you will receive their registrations database from this Excel file. Okay, so that's all. You may click send and choose this button, and you can shorten the URL with your web link and just copy this link and start promote your event. Alright, good luck. Goodbye. Anything you may just asking me through the WhatsApp. Thank you. Good night.